This is an introduction to the ExactFlat Database. The ExactFlat Database is a major element in helping to automate and improve the productivity of your workflow. We start today in our example in SolidWorks with a headrest. This is a clean 3D model which should serve as a good basis for going over the ExactFlat tools. These are our tools up here in the top left: Create Piece, Convert to ExactFlat, and Refresh Database. The first thing we're going to do is connect to the database. ExactFlat is built on a standard SQL database. The database is where part and design information is stored. Information such as seam allowances, notch types, grain lines, and material properties for flattening, for example. After connecting to the database, information related to our management tools becomes accessible. Because we are working with a headrest in today's example, our database is set up with information related to automotive interiors. Here we have categories for buttons, Velcro, snaps, J-hooks, and other items related to automotive trim. The database also supports hardware types. Hardware types give information such as your pricing breakdown and your vendor list. The Material Manager is where material types and their associated information is stored. This is a particularly useful part of the ExactFlat database. We have general information associated with materials, also information associated with the lay rules for nesting, and physical properties. These physical properties are the mechanical aspects of the material that are used for the flattening process. These properties include the Young's modulus, the Poisson ratio, stress and elongation limits. We can also add, if needed, special properties. The next part of our database is the Export Profile Manager. ExactFlat can export files to any cutter, plotter, or printer. ExactFlat can create custom profiles to make the export process faster and easier. With respect to cutters, all industry-leading cutters including Gerber, Lectra, and Eastman profiles are supported. Once the profiles are set up, they can be saved, and the next time you have to export a part for a particular cutter, it's as easy as a click of a button. The ExactFlat database is central to a design philosophy we call integrated additive design. Upstream inputs create downstream outputs, and these are integrated through the ExactFlat database. The benefit to users is no rekeying of data as you move from one aspect of the workflow to another. Also, if you have to make changes, the changes propagate automatically. This concludes our introduction to the ExactFlat database and how it can improve your productivity. If you want to know more, please visit us on the web or contact us directly.